morning. This is Aravindan from Coimbatore again. Behind me is my new electric bike, Rollick Enizio. Actually, I have done the unboxing after it has been 2 days since I bought it. After the first usage, I am just going to tell my experience how it was. And today I went for the first time to outside to ride it. I will also include the unboxing in this video as a part of it. Let's have a look at this bike.
I'm quite excited to see it. I'll just do the unboxing. Let's see what is inside, and then once it's fixed, then we will have a review after some time. What's inside? I just opened the box. Helmet, nice color. Saddle seat. Lock, and something else is inside, and the mudguard. I think that's it now. Finally, it's the cycle which has to come out. Yeah. That is one box also. I think there are some tools inside. I guess this is a charger. Finally, the cycle comes out. Yes! Yes! There we go. That's my cycle. Open the box. You'll find the pedals inside and some reflector for the back, the key for the battery, very quick release for the wheel, Allen keys and some spanners as specified. Battery charger, sorry. And the battery. So now let me assemble it and fit it and see how long it's going to take. Look at this. I just finished fixing this vehicle. Battery is mounted, wheel is mounted, and took about hour and a half to finish this for me. This is Rollick 2020 Enizio cycle. That's 37.0. Works pretty well. Now it's on. Look at the wheel running. I still have to get used to this vehicle. Let me put another review very soon. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.
I bought this bike 2 days back. It took about 2 months for me to get this cycle after booking. This is due to the COVID lockdown situation. They were saying it's getting delayed. Otherwise, they normally send it across within months' time. They actually do it for order, which is good. It looks like it is made for order, and the quality wise, they have done it really well. The bike came from Kozhikode, Kerala. That's about 5 hours drive from Coimbatore, where I am. It took 6 days. Again, due to the COVID situation, the shipper could not ship it immediately due to the containment areas, restrictions, and all those stuff. The box came safely, and everything was well kept in the box. The design of the cycle looks very simple. Doesn't look too much with stickering and nothing clumsy in here. Very clean and neat look. Let me tell you what all I got as a part of this bicycle. I got almost all the accessories for free from them, which includes the side stand of the cycle, and the lock, the wire lock which you see here, and also I got my mud guards for free. which is designed for this cycle itself, so it looks clean and neat, doesn't look odd like some other cycles do have. Even the LED light came as a part of the bicycle. I didn't pay anything extra for this. I actually tried out last night. It's good enough. It is not a high beam light, it's low beam light, but yes, it justifies its need. In the back they have only provided the reflector, the red color one. Wheel and the tire is good and it's got nice grip. This little computer here is quite good. It gives all the informations. There are many things to learn. They have about 3 different features within this. You can just keep on checking it. It will give you all the information about your trip meters, speedometers, the temperature of the motor, all this stuffs. You just have to spend a couple of hours just to know about this itself. I bought the lithium ion battery 13AH, which is little bulky, but yes, it gives enough power to the motor. The 21 speed drivetrain is very good. Shimano gears they have provided for the drivetrain. You also have front and the back derailleurs, both are Shimano Tourneo. Even the gear shifters they are given Shimano, which is a nice one. Shock absorber is quite nice. It has got a locking feature, so you can lock it if you need, if you don't want to use it on the terrain and off-roading. For the pedal assist they have provided 8 magneted sensors, which is doing its job well. Both front and rear have mechanical disc brakes, which is good enough on the roads. The stand is just strong enough, not very strong I would say. Even the saddle is just average. It's soft, but it could have been a little more softer. For a long range riders, they might need some more support of adding a seat cover, a jelly seat cover or foam seat covers for sure. And if you see the handle grip, this is very nice, well ergonomically placed. And the best thing about this cycle, which other cycle doesn't have, is this adjustable stem. No other cycles I have come across. See, now I have increased, this can be adjusted up to 10 degrees as they say. I have already adjusted and increased the height, which is really nice. No other cycle has it. Wherever it is necessary, they have used nice branded products actually. Hope I have covered enough about this cycle. Let me tell you the first experience today. I had it in the morning. The cycle is very smooth. Actually, I rode it a little towards the uphill. It is not on the hills, but yes, it is pulling with the speed of, in the electric mode, I could achieve the speed of 21-23 speed because it's uphill. It could not pull anymore. The torque is 30 Nm as they say. It could have been better if there was some increased torque in it. Yeah, that was a little insufficient to go on an uphill. I'm sure you might have to go for a pedal assist if you go for little uphill or any flyovers. You might have to pedal it, otherwise the cycle will not be able to pull you completely. I'm about 80 kilograms weight. This is according to my experience. Well, last thing to say about this cycle, it's worth buying. I have paid 41,000 to buy this cycle. I was lucky enough to get it for that price because there was an offer going on. Otherwise it will cost about 47. I'm lucky to save about 6,000 rupees on this electric cycle, which is a nice one. I'm sure people would love this cycle when they start using it or when they buy it. The manufacturer might have to go for a little more advertising on this thing. It is not very commonly seen and it has to be promoted really well, and I'm sure it will definitely work. When comparing to other competitions, the cycle is really good for this price. There are a couple of companies which they provide the battery fixed within the frame itself. Barely it is visible and it looks much more better. In this case, it looks little bulky, outside the frame, which I think probably the company work in the future to have it done. They didn't have any EMI facility to buy this cycle like other companies do have it, which is their advantage on the side. I paid it through my credit card, and I had to pay it in one shot, which was not very convenient for me. Hope in the future they will have that facility done with them. The good thing about this company is they keep on improving things. When it compared to last year's model, they have changed a lot. They have worked on their shock absorber, which had little complaints. They have brought in the new adjustable stem on the handlebar, and couple other features which you would get to see it in their website itself. The best thing is also about their after sale service and the support they give. They immediately respond when you do get in touch with them by WhatsApp, as well as the telephone call on the same WhatsApp number, which is really good. I really appreciate that effort they put. So that's it for now. Let me ride it for a week or so, or maybe after a month, then I'll do a little more review about a complete experience. Thank you for watching. I'll get back to you. Till then, this is Arvindan from Coimbatore.